Well, it's going to be an interesting day today. We are finally at the point where we can finish the borders and start moving this mountain of gravel, but it's a little bit too much to do by hand with shovels, and poor Tracy's back. It's going to go at some point if we don't do something to help us. So we've called on some friends. We've got Yip and Paul.
Hey,
Bonjour.
How good? Now, they've seen us struggling and they've volunteered to come help us with their digger.
Yeah.
So we're going to be loading the barrows with a digger today, which will make things a little bit easier,
Definitely.
guys.
It's our pleasure to help you.
Many hands make light work.
Exactement.
Absolutely. And you might know these guys. They've got their own YouTube channel as well. And Help I Bought a Village.
Help We Bought a Village,
yeah.
And YouTube channel.
Yip and Paul's Help We Bought a French Village.
There you go.
Well, we're both working with Channel 4. You with Help I Bought a Village.
Yeah.
Us with Chateau DIY.
Yeah.
But your journey's a little bit different to ours.
Yeah, the project's a bit different, isn't it? So I understand this place was abandoned for like 40 years or something, is it?
Yeah.
So our ancient hamlet was abandoned for about 35 years. And it's, there's a lot of work. Like here, there's a lot of work. But it's amazing. Parts of that hamlet are believed to be about 960 years old.
Wow.
The fireplace in question that is that old is just stunning, so it's a privilege to be custodians of our hamlet.
It really
isn't it?
is, yeah. Huge project.
Like this, really daunting at times, I'm sure. And
but also fun.
One job at a time, John.
Yeah, try not to look at the whole project as a whole, otherwise you just go to bed and watch TV all day because it's too much.
Yeah.
Frightened to get out of bed.
Exactly, yeah.
We know your pain there.
Yeah.
A day at a time.
Yeah.
For today, it's going to be a fun one, I think.
I think so. The sun's shining. What more could you want?
There
here?
you go. And it's
That's
a
it.
beautiful French chateau, beautiful French day.
Amazing backdrop.
Yeah, there's a cat on site, and wherever there's a cat, we're more than happy.
And a little dog.
A little dog. So we're like Shangri-La today.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah.
So lots to do. I think we better crack on, boys.
Yeah,
I think so. Yeah, let's get stuck in.
Come on then.
I've always dirtied everything that I found. This ain't no different, so look at you now. And baby, cut yourself loose. Save all the things that I said that night. Playing it cool, but I never got it right. Baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. You keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone. That I am, I'm caught in the pond, go back up then. Baby, cut yourself loose. Cause a little trouble, don't shed a tear. Keep that sunny smile from ear to ear. And baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone.
the other half of this garden has got gravel down. How amazing. We can't believe how quick with these two guys. It's immense having a piece of equipment like that. It has made the difference. We wouldn't have even been past this little dog's leg here if it had just been us shoveling it in and barrowing it in. But you can really start seeing it come together now, and I'm sure Terry will get the drone up and show you how good this actually looks, and you can see an actual layout now. And just to be able to walk around it and it's not mud, I keep saying it, but do you know how much of a luxury that is when all you've done is trudge through mud for the last 4 years? It is so nice to have gravel paths out the front. So we are on course. We're on course for June. We need this done for the fete, really, so that people can see what this is going to look like. Obviously the gardens aren't going to be done, still a lot of work to be done with these, but they're prepped and ready, and we might have Shane back in the autumn, you never know, and we can start looking at actually planting out here as well, ready for next year. And that, again, I'm really excited about that, because it means next year we're going to have plants and flowers and everything out here as well. So still loads to do. And to finish off the last of the blocks, I've stupidly left the worst till last, so it's my own fault with that one. Hopefully get that finished off, and then that's that all done. And then there's only a little bit of block work left to do around the rest of the courtyard now, so let's crack on.
Take me back to the riverside, counting days, passing time. Yeah, we were young and so alive. Now it feels like another life. So can you tell me a different story? 'Cause the one I got, you know it's getting old. We had all the time in the world, now I just need more, I just need more. We had all the time in the world, now I just need more, I just need more. Take me down the desert roads. We crashed the car, getting stoned. Life is still all a mystery. Now it's all too clear to me. So can I feel again everything back then? 'Cause I'm so tired of getting old. We had all the time in the world, now I just need more, I just need more. We had all the time in the world, now I just need more, I just need more. We had all the time in the world, now I just need more, I just need more. We had all the time in the world, now I just need more, I just need more. And it's been so long, you know, 'cause I've been living my whole life wishing I could turn back time. Never stop to realize all the while it was going right. just need more. It's been so long, you know. 'Cause I've been living my whole life wishing I could turn back time. Never stop to realize all the while it was going right.
Well, what a day, boys.
I know.
What a day indeed.
Smashed it, didn't we?
We did smash it, didn't we?
We did.
I think so. I can't believe how much we've got done.
It's
Well,
good,
it's good.
isn't it? We aim to please.
Oh,
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Many hands make light work, especially with the
Definitely.
machine as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
We-
It's no good struggling. None of us
No.
like a struggle, do we?
well, we wouldn't have even had that done if it was just done by hand.
I
And to
couldn't
say
bear
we've
the
got
thought of
all
you
of
doing
that, all of this, most of it's unreal.
Yeah.
No, if we didn't come and help, we'd just be at home crying into our hankies at the thought of you
Oh
handling
my
all that.
goodness me, yeah.
Yeah.
So no, any time, honestly.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been our pleasure, honestly.
And we'll come back and help you get it finished off.
And what a better place for a day at work.
I know, it's amazing where we work around
Yeah.
France.
Yeah,
Bless you.
exactly.
Oh, we
Yeah.
can't thank you, genuinely can't thank you.
No,
Just
it's
thank
a
you.
pleasure,
So
honestly, it
it's
really
great.
is.
Anytime.
Bit of
You've seen
fed
how
and
much-
water.
You've seen how much these boys do in a day, so you need to check out their YouTube channel, and it's Yip Paul's.
Yip and Paul's help. We bought a French village.
That's the
There
one.
we go.
And the link's in the description. And like I say, they are cracking blocks, and like I say,
Lovely.
they've got all this done with us as well. So it's just been great.
Thank you.
Great to be
Yeah.
part of your journey.
Yeah,
I feel like
definitely.
we're leaving a part of ourselves at Lalacelle.
Yeah.
All this. There you go. You'll be every time you come up here now, you'll think we did this.
Exactly. Yeah. No, it's nice.
No,
It's
it's
nice,
amazing.
and you boys have done a great job.
Yeah,
I've
definitely.
just been all day admiring the laying out of all these
Yeah,
this edging. It's
definitely.
it's phenomenal. It's
Yeah.
great. It really
It's
is
going to
great.
look amazing when it's finished off. The
Yeah.
topsoil in and everything,
Oh,
and
just
planted
yeah.
up. It's going to be
It's
incredible,
been,
isn't it?
it's been challenging, especially
Yes.
this last bit of border blocks. It's the bit that I've avoided from
Yeah.
Yeah.
the very first day because I've seen how bad it was going to be.
Yeah.
And I probably should have got it done first, but all done now.
You
With some-
smashed it.
We done.
Yeah,
we got
smashed
it
it.
done, and it's just a case of getting the rest of the gravel out now. We've got a couple more deliveries of gravel because obviously that pile's gone from a mountain to literally
Yeah.
it's just a
Small
little
amount.
yeah, small
Small
amount, a molehill.
Yeah.
We've made molehills out of mountains.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we've done it the other way around.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you want to do it that way?
Exactly.
So it's all good. So we hope you've enjoyed today's episode.
Yeah.
We've got so much done again, and I can't believe I'd still like shocked at how much it's actually flew forward. It's literally been a couple of weeks
It's
since we
nice,
actually
isn't
started
it?
this
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
Though.
It's nothing better than to kind of propel yourself forward and
And
then
see an
get
instant, because it's
instant.
instant,
Oh, yeah.
isn't
It
We
it?
is.
love instant, don't we?
Absolutely,
Yeah,
it's not a
definitely.
muddy puddle anymore. So
No.
if you've enjoyed today's episode, please do nip over to Yip and Paul's channel, and if you've enjoyed ours, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you got the bell click for notifications. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Au revoir.
If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.